Hello and welcome back to another episode of Physics Partner. This is the 10th and final episode for the series Quantum Physics for Everyone. We have explored the strange rules of the quantum world. It can also feel like abstract theory, but these bizarre effects are actually hidden inside technologies you use every day. Today, let's connect the quantum dots and see how spooky physics becomes practical reality. Let's start with the most universal application. The entire digital age is built on our understanding of the quantum behavior of electrons. The silicon chip in your phone or laptop is a semiconductor. This only works because electrons act as waves existing in specific energy bands. By precisely controlling these bands, a purely quantum process, we create the transistors that are the brains of every computer. The modern world runs on quantum mechanics. Next, consider a trip to the hospital. An MRI machine is essentially a giant quantum sensor. It works by aligning the spin of protons in our body's water molecules with a powerful magnet. When nudged, these protons emit faint signals as they relax, and a computer translates those quantum signals into a detailed image. Your medical scan is a direct picture of quantum properties. Then there is the laser. A laser beam is created through a quantum process called stimulated emission, where atoms release identical photons in perfect sync. This pure quantum light is what reads DVDs, carries internet data through fiber optics cables, and enable precise surgery. Finally, the future. Quantum cryptography uses entanglement to create communication that is fundamentally unhackable. Any attempt to eavesdrop instantly breaks the quantum link. The quantum computers use superposition, where a quantum bit can be 0 and 1 at once, to solve complex problems in medicine and material science that are impossible for today's computers. So here are the key takeaways. First, semiconductors and transistors, the foundation of all modern electronics, only work because of quantum physics. Second, medical imaging like MRI directly relies on measuring the quantum property of spin. Third, lasers are a direct application of quantum energy levels. And fourth, the next frontiers is secure communication and powerful computing are being built on entanglement and superposition. The quantum world is not just strange and beautiful, it is the invisible engine of our technology.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.